What's up, everybody? How's it going? We are heading out from DC. We're on 495. It's about actually exactly 5:30. It's a little bit later than we planned to leave. We planned to leave around like 10 a.m. So
No, it wasn't 10 a.m. It was like 4 p.m. But...
Yeah, it was. We planned to leave 4 p.m., but it didn't happen because we're brown and Asian. So yellow.
We.
Yeah.
I don't know who else
You're still brown, actually. Hachi's brown too.
Yeah, Hachi's brown. There you go.
So you're honorary brown. Anyway, we're on the way out. We're gonna be driving through. We're probably gonna stop in Knoxville or Chattanooga. Not sure yet which one yet, but we'll figure it out as we go.
Holla. It's now 5:35 and we've exhausted things to talk about. So
he's extremely fascinating to travel with. He's a great conversationalist.
Yeah, it's great.
So in Southern Virginia right now, and it never snows here, and now it is snowing like crazy. So I'm taking Hachi for a quick walk while Xiaofei gets gas. It is a little bit ridiculous right now. This is craziness. This is blizzard conditions. I don't know if you can see. Blizzard conditions. This is a really ominous looking path. Hachi wants to go down. We're not going there, but or later. Stop to get gas. Hachi's taking Xiaofei for a pee. Said that intentionally. This gas station is totally, it works, thank God, but this is crazy. And then this is why my headlights are not working as well as they should be, because they're frozen over. So lots of random stuff on the bottom of my car. Craziness. Fun continues.
Well, we survived the embarrassing scenic thing. I
wish I had snow boots with me, but I didn't bring them. Anyway, Hachi's chilling back there. He's passed out again, so he was awake for a few minutes.
Shit, but whatever.
But yeah, we're in Tennessee. It is about midnight now, and we're gonna keep driving pretty much until we get to Knoxville, crash there for the night, and then continue on to New Orleans / Baton Rouge.
All right, take care.
Peace out.